Hey guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today I wanted to share with you my recent Amazon beauty haul, and this is primarily going to be focused around hair repair products and just overall hair health. Going into the new year, I felt like that was something that I personally really wanted to focus on, especially putting bleach on my hair, using hot tools, which I don't do too often, but I think my hair pays the price regardless. I do have a hair appointment coming up in like 3 or 4 days, so I'm gonna take off like any of the dead split ends so I can have a fresh start. So I have a box of goodies that I ordered. This was like 2 separate orders that I just got from Amazon. And I must say, when it comes to opening packages and getting new things, I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. I have no self-control. I want to open it and start using and playing around with things right away. So one of these shipments came last night, and this morning I already took a shower and used some of these products. I'll let you know which ones I used and which ones I'm already really liking. But on that note, let's get started. I told you guys in my last video that I'm gonna start playing around with some drugstore shampoos and conditioners. I love the higher end hair products, but honestly, if in 2025 we cannot get great hair products from the drugstore, I think we're failing. And so I feel like I owe it to go discover and find those products and also save some money along the way. But this first one is from L'Oreal. This is their EverPure sulfate-free bond repair shampoo and conditioner. This is supposed to strengthen weak hair. It says bonding care complex with citric acid, 7 and 12%. I did some digging and these had really great reviews. They have a really large range of various ones. This is the bond repair. They have like volume, clarify, all these different ones for different hair types. I think I would also really enjoy the volume one, but that one was not currently available in the UAE. I had to have it shipped from the US, so that'll take a little bit longer to get here. And this honestly, just like by the name, sold me, because this is exactly what I'm looking for in my hair journey right now, is the bond repair. But those were a start. I used those this morning. I was actually really impressed, and my hair is super soft. Another one to go along with the L'Oreal collection. If you're on like the trending side of TikTok, I am not, but I heard that this is trending on TikTok. I guess this one might not be available in the US, or will soon be available in the US. This one, I believe, shipped from the UK. This is their Glycolic Gloss. This is the Elvive Glycolic Gloss 17% Complex Gloss. I also used this morning. It definitely left my hair feeling really smooth, really silky and soft. I left it on for like 5 minutes in the shower, rinsed it out, and then I went in with the bond repair conditioner. And now that I'm like talking about it and touching my hair and feeling, it feels really nice. I'm already super excited to continue using these products because my hair already feels like notably different and just like well coated, protected, light, fluffy, and soft. But we have more stuff to unpack, so let's keep going. This one, I feel like I am late to the game. This blew up last year. This is the Fino Premium Touch hair mask. This one I already tested out. I didn't notice anything insane results wise from this, but I'm definitely gonna keep using it. Maybe I didn't use enough. I'll let you know. We'll keep playing and trying, because people have been loving this, so there has to be something good about it. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. This one is just gonna be like a really thick, glossy hair mask. The smell reminds me of like Dove soap. These ones, I can tell, are very heavily fragranced because they just smell way too good to have no fragrance. Okay, this next one, because I was in like the hair division, popped up and I was like, oh my God, like ever since high school, I used to take these hair, skin, and nail gummies. I think it's by Nature Bounty or one of those really big vitamin supplement companies. It's the strawberry flavor. They're delicious. Anyways, somewhere along the line, one of my friends talked me out of taking them because they had sugar in them. And now I just don't take the gummies. I don't take the vitamins. I don't consume any of the good biotin, anything. And I feel like I notice a difference. So I decided to treat myself and I got the Hair, Skin, and Nail Glow sugar-free gummies. These are so delicious, you guys. These are made in France. They're raspberry flavor and they have biotin, selenium, CoQ10, and zinc. I'm literally gonna take one right now because they're so good. I'm addicted, but you can only have 2 a day, so it's like a curbed addiction, you know? Now I have like raspberry gummies stuck in my teeth. Something that I finally purchased, which I have been wanting to get for so long because you guys know how obsessed I am with the Davines OI all-in-one milk, which is the leave-in treatment from Davines, is the OI oil. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to finally give this a shot. The smell is so good. I feel like Davines really has their own signature scent and it is so intoxicating. I love it so much. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts on this. It says Absolute Beautifying Potion. I really love this brand. It is a somewhat recent new discovery for me. Like in the past year, I discovered Davines and I'm so happy. I love it so much. I really wanted to focus on like masks and different treatments to elevate my current hair routine. So I got another hair mask. This one is the Elizavecca CER 100. This is the collagen coating protein ion injection. This one is actually a Korean hair brand and I figured Korean skincare is so great. Korean everything is so great. They really know what they're doing. So I'm gonna give a Korean brand a shot. And how cute is this packaging, you guys? Her hair grows as you pull up the packaging and that's exactly what I want. They sold me. Let's go. Let's go. The cutest little bottle. I'll let you guys know. I've heard really great things about this. Gonna give this one a shot. I think this is like an in-shower mask as well, similar to this. I'll find out. I'll let you guys know, but super excited to try out all these different hair masks. I also had to get a mister for my hair because I just felt like I needed it. Like if I wanted to do like a pre-shower hair treatment, I also use the Dyson Airwrap and this was something that I was missing in order to get my hair damp again, to get like the perfect style with that tool. So just like a silly, fun little necessary purchase. I also restocked on the, I don't even want to say the name because I know I'm botching it. And I said this in the last one. The Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I told you guys I went through a bottle of this. I didn't know if I was gonna buy it again, but I ended up going. The gardeners love my house every single time I've recorded. Okay, but I told you guys I already went through one, didn't know if I was gonna buy it again, ended up repurchasing. And I think while I'm on this hair care journey, I may as well implement as many things as I can to just like maximize the health of my hair. And I think a lot of that stems at the scalp. Personally, I know that my scalp needs a lot of TLC, a lot of extra love. It's super sensitive. So let's see if this can help any more than it did the first time around. Also, if you guys have any recommendations, like if you know of a better oil, I know rosemary oil is supposed to be great for like stimulating and helping with, what would you say, growing your hair. If you guys know of another oil that's great just for like overall scalp health, anything, let me know. Please leave a comment, let me know. I thought about this the other day. I'm like, I don't need to use rosemary oil in my hair, but I don't know what other oil I should be using in my hair or on my scalp. So if you guys have any suggestions, anything that you use and you love, please let me know. Final hair item is something that I cannot live without. Speaking of a sensitive scalp, this is the Nizoral Anti-Dandruff shampoo. This has literally changed my life. I don't travel without this. As soon as I'm running low, I have to replace it. If you have like an irritated, itchy, or like you got any dandruff, this one is the most soothing, the most healing. I have zero problems when I use this product. It's so good. Also, don't be mistaken, there's a couple different Nizoral shampoos It's the blue bottle that is king. So if you are looking to purchase it, definitely pick up this one. Okay, I have a couple other random skincare goodies that I picked up while I was on Amazon because I couldn't resist. So I thought I would show you guys while I'm at it. I felt only appropriate that I share yet another body lotion with you guys. In case you didn't get enough in my last video that I posted, here's another one. This is from Vaseline. This is the Intensive Care Advanced Repair 48-hour moisture hydration unscented. I've been on such a kick with Vaseline, like the actual Vaseline petroleum jelly, whatever you want to call it, ointment, and layering that over my moisturizers in areas where I have more dry skin. And then I saw that they had this body lotion, wanted to try it out. It's amazing. This one came like less than a week ago and I've used it every single day, like twice a day since purchasing it. And my skin is so soft. It's lightweight, but it keeps the hydration because of the added Vaseline in here. It's amazing, highly recommend. It says unscented, but we all know unscented truly comes with a scent. This one has that like old lady kind of scent to it, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's not bad, but like it's there, it exists. Another Korean beauty item that I picked up from Amazon is from Anua. This is the Anua 7 Rice Ceramide Hydrating Barrier Serum. I told you guys how much I was absolutely loving the cleansing oil. So I've been looking for new recommendations from the brand to try, and I thought it would be kind of a great replacement for something like a hyaluronic acid and just give that extra hydration to my skin. I did try this one out and it feels really great. It has that like sticky kind of tacky effect that really locks in my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and just like all the moisture that you want to stay on your face. And another classic for me that I've been using, I think since I was in like early middle school, which people either love it, they don't know what it is, or they don't love it. And that is bio oil. This is to this day one of my all-time favorite body oils. I use this on my cuticles. I use this practically anywhere. It's just such a versatile product. It's great for scars, for stretch marks, and also just layering over top of your moisturizers, underneath, however you want to do it, to lock in that hydration. I am obsessed with this stuff. I could literally lather my entire body with it, and sometimes I do. Last thing that I picked up, this was not a need. This was a want. I don't know what category this falls into. Skincare? Self-care? I have been wanting one of these like jelly masks that you store in the refrigerator or the freezer for a while. This one is double-sided. They say that you can heat it. I haven't tried and I'm a bit skeptical, but I loved the idea of it. Just something that I wanted to help with any like inflammation or swelling in my face in the early morning, or just something that's really nice when you want to relax and put like a hot or cold compress on your face. So not totally necessary, but something that I've been eyeing and wanting for a while, and I've already got some great use out of it. All right, guys, that wraps up all of the products that I picked up from Amazon recently for my new hair care, hair repair journey. I'm sure I will continue to dabble with even more products, so I'll make sure to keep you guys posted along the way which ones I'm seeing the best results from. I'll leave all of the products that I picked up down in the description for you in case you're curious and want to take a look. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you did enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.